we go.
Hello, everyone. This is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader, and I just passed another Top Step prop firm. I kind of wanted to share this with everybody just because I've really been working on my skills to do this. Before, I was able to get halfway through very easily, but having trouble with the second half because it's easy to get one good day in a row, but hard to get two. But I've actually come up with a trading plan, trading rules, even a style of trading that I use with money management and do's and don'ts to keep me out of trouble so that I can pass these things on a regular basis and start collecting them. And that's the whole idea. But what happened is I got quite a few people I trade with that want to learn how to do this and want the skills to how to do this. And it doesn't come naturally. That's the whole thing. You need to be taught. And once you're taught, you will have the skills. Now, the market may change a little bit here and there because the market always changes, but your skill set will be refined enough that you could probably change with the flow. Right now, we have really big pullbacks. We have a lot of times where we're not really sure if the market's going to carry our way. Now, I can make money if we can get 5 candles together. That's the question. Can we get 5 candles together? So there's a lot of little tricks to it, but definitely it's doable and it's passable. And that's the thing I'm here to share with you guys. So anyway, I just wanted to go over my account a little bit here. I just passed a 50,000, and I think I did it in about 8 or 9 days. I can't remember exactly. I know I had a couple bad days in there, but I came back from it. And that's the whole thing is you're able to have bad days, but you got to come back with a good day. Otherwise, you're done. That's the problem. Now, it could happen. You get 2 bad days back to back, and you know what? Then you got to start another prop firm. And there's no shame to it because they're very difficult. It's not your fault. The market's got to be moving the direction that you know it's going to go, and then you will make money. If you're not sure, or you feel frustrated, or you're just a little bit confused on the market, you're not going to pass. There's not even trade that day. That's the problem. We go ahead and trade anyway, and then we trade in a way that we almost are certain to be doomed. That's the whole problem. And so that's what I'm here to teach about. I'm going to do a 4-day class, 1 hour a day, and I'm going to teach you, whoever wants to join. I'm only looking for 20 people. And whoever wants to join, we're going to get together and we're going to go over everything it takes to pass the prop firm. I am going to show you the tricks that I use and how I use them and why I use them. And also, I'm going to give you software that'll help you pass the prop firm too, because a lot of it's having confidence. If you don't have confidence in your system, you cannot pass. So if you've been having trouble passing, maybe you've been trading too small and it takes too many days to pass, which means you have to have too many great days in a row. That's another problem too. We only get so many great trading days. When we get a great trading day, we need to take advantage of this, and that's what I'm here to teach. So it's not for the weak, it's not for the lighthearted, it's for the people that want to pass a prop firm. Now, once you pass a prop firm, you need to be able to take those same skills and tone them down, even be more critical upon them, because otherwise you work so hard to get the account, you will not keep the account. And that's the other problem too. So, and you can't have fear in your trading. That is probably one of the biggest factors. Matter of fact, that happened to me as soon as I got my live account. First day out, I was trading it, and right away I lost $900 because the fear was so intense that I was scared I was going to lose my account. And sure enough, everything I did was wrong. And therefore, I had to shake that fear and come back the next day and make $2,000 and show myself that it was definitely possible. And it's only a $50,000 account. But see, what I teach is a money management system that as you build up the equity in your account, you're able to trade a little bit more calmer and easier and be able to take more funds out of the account. So we'll get into all that later on. But the thing is, let me show you my account. So right now, here it is. We had to make $3,000. Now, unfortunately, I made more than $3,000, so they made me to come back and make another $379. And I know it happens to me all the time because usually I can make half of that or more in one day. And if too many times I've made too much and I've had extra money on it. I thought if I deleted some of it that it wouldn't happen, but no. If you go over, even if you delete some, they make you still go and earn that extra money. So do not try to delete down. It does not help you. May as well just take it as, yeah, that's what you got to take profit for. You put your take profit at the right spot and you'll be okay. If it's at the wrong spot, you're going to make too much, and then, you just have to make a little bit more. And that's what happens. So that's not a bad thing, but you got to be able to do it. And that I do understand. So let's take a look here. Here's the actual trading. So there was my first day out of the gate. Boom, down $1,000. Really got to me. I shook it off. I just stopped for the day before it closed me out, and I came back the next day and made 2,000. So and then we had another bad day down, a little bit down, and we came back and did it again. This is all 8 days of trading. So I came back again. I lost another little bit of money there too. So I hit full, and I made it back. Again, it happens. So it happens. But the thing is you have to come back and keep trying. So, and then I made it back, and then I had to make a little bit more to finish it, and I got it. So it was very good. That was the little 322 I had to make, and then I nailed it. So it's just, the thing is you don't give up, but you got to have the skills. So there is skills there. There's definitely technique. You got to have a trade plan. You got to have rules. Without all those things together, you need to be dialed in a well-oiled machine. Otherwise, you will not make it. Like my average winning trade was only $98. It wasn't thousands of dollars. So I did multiple trades. Even my normal losing trade is 103. They're about the same. So I only had a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-105 more on the losing side. So, but the thing is, I had more winners. I had 62%, which means it wasn't 50-50. It was that 12% that made me pass. So that's what did it. Now, sometimes I get even better than that when I get the trades going right in the market. And that's really what it's all about, is having the right trades. So, you know, here's my trades right here. You can see they weren't gigantic. It was just little pieces at a time, especially in the beginning. Building up that cushion there. And then as it went on, I just kept getting bigger and bigger. So that's how it works. So here's the template that I'm using. Basically, we're getting in on the arrow, we're going underneath, we're taking it down, but there's a lot of technique and a lot of tricks to this. So you're going to get a system like this so you're able to trade it, and that's what we're talking about. You got to have a system that you have confidence in, that is easy to understand, which this is, very easy to understand. And look, also we got double tops, double bottoms, lots of nice stuff in here to be able to be aware of. You still need to know price action, you still need to know patterns in the market, you need to know all that stuff. Let's see, where was the other thing I'm looking for here? So that's what you'll be getting, is all this system. Maybe I should let you see it a little bit more, sorry. But you'll be getting a system, and you'll be getting taught why you're using the system, how to use the system, how to get the most out of this system so that you can pass a prop firm. And also you're going to have a trade plan, trade rules. You're going to have a whole kit and caboodle so that you can attack the markets and feel confident in what you're doing. So, matter of fact, I'm even going to try to get together with some people that want to get together on the New York, and we're trying to try to pass it all together just through the New York session. Because some people, they're intimidated by it and they need a little bit of help. They need to know where to get in and where to get out. And if you're one of those people, join the New York Trade Room, and for at least a month, try to hang in there for the month and trade alongside me. We'll trade only in the New York Trade Room. The rest of the day we'll not trade, and you're not supposed to take any other trades. Otherwise, we won't be passing together. The idea is I want you guys to pass. That's the whole key. Now, that's not for everybody. Some people want to pass it on their own, and that's fine. I'm here to teach you how to do it, and that's the whole key. I've been able to do it very easily, and I found the techniques that work. So that's the whole thing, the techniques that work. So let's see, where was I looking for? Right here. So if you go over to the website, let's go back over there. And as soon as you come up, you're going to see how you got it right here. John's How to Pass a Prop Firm course and system. It's going to be for 4 hours, for 1 hour a day, 4 days. It'll start not this Monday, but next Monday. I'm not even sure what day that is, but I'll figure that out and put that in there. Let's see, today is, I'm not even sure, it'll be towards the end of the month, so it'll be in 2 weeks basically. So not this Monday, but the following Monday it will be starting. I'm only taking 20 people, so don't dilly-dally too much, you won't be able to get in. Now, once I'm done with this, it will still be a video course that can be bought, but it's not the same as a video course as a live course. So, and even if you bought the video course, I would still get together with you and go over everything that we need to go over, because I want to make sure that you make it. I'm a trader that made it, and I want to make sure you guys are traders that made it. I'm nothing special. I just put a lot of hard time in, just like you guys are doing. But nobody helped me find this stuff, so I found it all on my own. There's no reason that you have to do that. I've already figured it out, so let me show you how to do it so that you can emulate what I do and maybe even make it your own and make it better. I mean, that's what it's all about too. So we all have our own special techniques, and you might be able to add to it what you like and take away what you don't like and make it your own. But the idea is you have a place to feel comfortable, something to follow, a system to follow, a plan, a trade plan, trade rules, and you go by this and you will be passing. It's a very mechanical, methodical way to trade, and if you don't trade like that, you will not pass a prop firm. That's one thing I can tell you. So, but once you get over here, you just hit the Buy Now button, takes you right in here. Let's see what it looks like. I just got done doing all this. So, and it's only going to be $149. Later on, it will be $200 if you want to get the video. But right now, it is only $149, and you go right in here, and then you can purchase it. It's all yours. It will be under, when you hit that button, it takes you right here. So remember, only the first 20 people. So if you're one of those people that wants to pass a prop firm, wants to be able to use other people's money to trade, because it's hard to come up with money. It's not a lot of money, but even a $50,000 account is only $50. Once you pass it, then you got to pay $150, and then you got to spend some more time trading it to be able to get some profit out of it. But then it starts paying for itself. But the idea is you're not going to make a lot of money. You only want to make $200 to $300 a day. If you try to get too aggressive, you will lose the account. That's the problem. So anyway, it's something we go over, something we deal with. I'm here to teach you how to pass a prop firm and how to keep it, and how to be able to make money the rest of your life with prop firms using their money. And that's what it's all about. If this sounds interesting to you, or something you would like to learn more about, and this technique will even help you in your live trading too. It's not something that only works for prop firms. It's just prop firms are much more difficult than live money. So that's the whole thing. Anyway, if this sounds like something you're looking for, hit the buy button. I'll see you on the other side. And thank you so much for your time. Remember, let's make money in the markets, everybody. Okay, bye-bye. Dollar, dollar.